Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, we attacked the SPY and things were not looking kosher when the market opened up, and I was just like, this isn't right. Things were like really off. So let's kind of get into it. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first thing we always do is we always draw the box. And this is my coaching call for my Platinum X Power Option Trader groups. You guys know how to draw the box, or you should know how to draw the box, and this will tell you exactly what to be doing. So this is volatility, this is price action, this is volume, all packed into one, and support and resistance. So that's why the box is very crucial. We draw it out for every trading session. If the equity or the stock or the financial instrument opens up above the box, we're going to take a long position. Opens up inside of the box, we kind of don't trade, or we do spreads. Opens up underneath the box, we go short. Now, if it opens up way above the box, like really high above the box, and the trend and the strength is not that hard, or momentum is not that strong, we know it's going to come crashing back down in the box. Same thing if it opens up way under the box, then we know it's going to come and try to fight back up inside of the box here. This is all gravity points, by the way. It's all packed into here. So when the SPY opened up, you see it right here. This opened up literally like $10 above, $10 or $11 above the box. So that was too strong, right? And I saw it in pre-market. So let's kind of open this up here. So when I see stuff like this, and at the time, let's go over here to the Visualize tab. The entire market was green, which I was just like, this isn't right. The SPY is gonna crash, even though the market's green and the market's in momentum. You know how they always say, don't fight the trend? Well, I think that saying is kind of BS, because under certain circumstances, it's not about fighting the trend. It's about looking at what's going on and understanding that, you know what, this trend is not, is this a false trend? This is like a false bull rally. Well, for the ETF, for the SPY. So that's what we focused on. So I just waited. I sat patient and I waited, and I was just like, I looked over here, and I'm like, this isn't right. All right, here's my 200. It's red, turned green, sloping down red. All right. Here's my 20. Same thing with the 20. It's green, turned yellow, sloping down yellow. All right. So let me open this up a little bit more so that you can see it there, because that's all we need to see. All right. So I'm like, nah, this isn't right. I'm sending the trade out. I'm going bearish. So what did I do? I send this out to you guys. So I sent out the trade to you guys, 19th of October 2022, SPY 373 strike put. You know what we paid for it. You know how many contracts I told you to get. This is for people that are watching on social. You don't need to know what we paid for it or the amount of contracts we got. Plus 20%, minus 15% stop loss, tight. So that was the trade I sent out to the group. And then this is what we ended at, right? I got out, and I got out way too early. So I got out 373 strike put, plus 14, 76% profit. I'm done trading for the day. So let me tell you, when I got out way too early, I was just like, I didn't even know why I got out. I was just like, 937 right here. I sent the trade out to my guys. You see it right there. Landed in my smartphone. So landed in their smartphone, 936, 937. So let's come over here, 936, 937, because this didn't look right to me. So right here, This is when I'm sending the trade out, right in that candle right there, because you can see it. This is just consolidation right here. That's all that is, consolidation. And then this is a spinning top right here. And then we have consolidation right here. And I'm looking at the 200. It's just sloping red. This flat here turns red. That's my signal right there. You see it right there. And then that's my 20 right there. And you see that right there, yellow. It just sloped down. I took the trade right here, right? And this is when I got out, right here, kicking myself right in the butthole. Should have never got out, because look at what happened, right? Yes, it made a move back up, but it didn't cross the 21. It just slammed it right back down. The 200 slammed it, and then look at this beautiful move right here. Like I missed all that movement right there. And then, of course, you know, the SPY just had to make a move again to rip back up to the upside. But here's the 200, right? It really doesn't violate the 200. The 200 just says, you're going back down, buddy, right? It's just slamming the SPY down, right? And then you see the 20 right here. It's just slamming the SPY back down. So look at where the SPY eventually is right now, right? The time I'm cutting this, what is it, 10:45 that you're seeing this? I mean, what a beautiful trade. I don't even know why I got out of this trade. Actually, I kind of do know why I got out. So over here on the right-hand side, here's my price. Here's my price levels. You know, and I just looked at this. I'm just like, man, I'm kicking myself silly for this one. And here's the option that we took. Man, this thing just exploded, right? $4.14 hit the high. Oh my God, that would have been such a beautiful trade. So you're probably wondering, well, what did you make? Well, you know, I got out way too early, $3,600 plus 14.76%. Kicking myself silly, man. But you know what? I'm blessed. It is what it is. I'm not gonna get upset by it. I remove all emotion out of this game now, because I let the system work for me. I'm not working for the system. I'm just following the system. So when people say, you know, the trend is your friend, yeah, to a certain degree, and they always say, don't fight the trend. Well, I disagree with that, because it clearly shows you right here, right? It's okay to not fight the trend, but the trend is counterintuitive. So, you know, take the opposite side of the trade. Even though the entire marketplace is up. I mean, let's go see what happened to the SPY here. I'm kind of curious. Let me fix this up here. That's my super track. Let me close that up. Let me go over option time and sales, because I want to see some big action here. So let's go on over here. So, I remember, this is when we opened up. The entire marketplace was green, and the SPY was moving like crazy. So let me come over here and show you why this didn't feel right to me, because here's what I'm talking about. I mean, this is pre-action. This is pre-market. Look at all that action. Look at all that price action. Moving up, consolidation, moving up again, coming back down, ripping towards the open. Just didn't feel right to me, you know? Now, again, there's no feeling, there's no thought. I'm letting the system work, and the system's working for me. I'm not working for the system. So right here, you know, it hit the high right out of the gate. So that's kind of a warning sign right there. When it hits the high so fast out of the gate, yeah, there's going to be a reversal. It's just going to happen. But let's come back over here. It's not the charts. Let's come back over here. I mean, there's some heavy duty put action there. 1.6 million contracts, 1.5 million calls, 2.7 million contracts traded. Like, this is what I want to see right here. The put call ratio, 1.40. That's crazy, right? That's a lot of order flow going through this right now. So let's kind of close that down, and let's kind of see the option and sales, see what's going on here. This is all real time, right? This is what you want to see. So yeah, I mean, Look at this. There's some big smart money going out here. There's some big smart money, some big institution putting some big trades on here. This is crazy. I mean, look at this spread. 350, October 28th, 350 put. Wow. You see the time right there. It's the same time. That's a big institution trade. And right there too, 20,000 contracts. 335 put, 350 put, expiration. Whoa. That's some big action. That's 40,000 times, what was that? Wow, they got in cheap too. 31 cents times 100. What is that there? That is $12.4 million. Is that right? Yeah. 12 point, yeah. Oh wait, that's not right. What am I talking about? It's 1.2. So let's come over here, 15,000. You see? Just goes to show you, you don't have to be super smart to do math. 15,000 times 2. We got 30,000 times, what is that there? $1.23 times 100. Did I do that right? Yep. That's some big movement in the SPY. Those are some big trades. So let's get back to the charts. Why is my screen freezing up? Man. So my screen is freezing up. So let's look at this here, the ES. Yeah, there's some big order flow going on today. So anyways, that's it from Double P. That's what I did. That's what I saw. That's why I wanted to take this opposite side of the trade. Even though counterintuitive, the entire market is green, it doesn't matter, right? Those are the things you need to look at. So with that being said, my charts are frozen. Every time I cut this video, my charts are frozen. All right. There we go. Things are slow here. All right. So that being said, that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys at the Platinum X Power Option Trader, my members, this is the stuff that you need to look at, right? Don't worry about having a thought or feeling. Look at the chart. Look at what's going on. Look at the trend. Look at what we're trading, right? That's going to help you take the proper action with getting on the right side of the trade no matter what. Even though the SPY's up like, 1.4%, it was up actually more than that. It was like up like 2%, but we don't care, right? Right? You look at the system. Let the system work for you. All right, so that's it from Double P over now. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.